How to log into your Discord account. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can quickly log into your Discord account. First thing first, open up your application and you'll land on your login page. From here, if you're new, you can register for a new account, but if you already have one, you can tap on the login option. It will ask you for your email or phone that's connected to your account and simply enter your password from here. And in case you've forgotten your password, you can use this forgot password option. It will send an instruction email on your Gmail. Just check there and you should be able to reset your password. Now simply enter your password here on the password box. Once you have entered your password, tap on the login button right here. And if you have set up two-factor authentication, it will ask you for the two-factor verification on your email. And once you have verified that, you should be able to log into your Discord account. It's as easy as that. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'll see you on the next one.